If Blender crashes when you switch into rendered view, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest fixes to stabilize your viewport and get back to working normally. This is especially useful in Blender 4.2 and newer, where GPU drivers, backend settings, and heavy scenes can trigger crashes the moment you change render mode. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender fixes and quick workflow tips. First, update your GPU drivers to the latest stable version or, if available, the Pro version. Outdated drivers are one of the most common reasons Blender crashes in rendered view, especially after major Blender updates. Whether you're using AMD or NVIDIA, a clean and current driver can make a huge difference in stability. Next, open Blender and go to Edit, then Preferences, and then System. Here, look for the backend option and switch it to Vulkan if it's available on your system. Blender's older OpenGL path can sometimes cause instability, and Vulkan may provide a more reliable experience depending on your hardware and driver support. Now go to the Simplify panel and lower texture resolution. If your scene is loading a lot of materials, large textures can quickly overload VRAM when switching into rendered mode. Reducing texture size can help Blender load the scene more smoothly and prevent sudden crashes. After that, go back to Preferences, then System, and enable the hardware rendering option for your GPU. If you're on AMD, turn on HIP RT. If you're on NVIDIA, enable OptiX. These settings let Blender use specialized hardware cores to handle render calculations more efficiently, which can reduce strain when entering rendered view. Another useful fix is lowering the viewport max samples. Set it to a smaller number, like 32, so Blender doesn't try to calculate too much at once when you switch render modes. This can help prevent the sharp GPU spike that often causes freezing or crashing. If your scene has heavy modifiers like solidify or subsurf, try applying them before previewing the final render view. Live modifiers can eat up a lot of memory in real time, especially in complex scenes, and that extra load can push Blender over the edge when the viewport updates. You should also close any unnecessary background apps. Browsers like Chrome, other 3D software, and anything using RAM or VRAM can reduce the resources Blender has available. Freeing up memory can make the switch into rendered view much more stable. In Edit Preferences, then Save and Load, make sure autosave is enabled. This won't stop the crash, but it will protect your work if Blender unexpectedly closes while you're testing these fixes. If the problem still continues, use Blender Debug GPU to check for driver-related errors. This can generate a log file that helps you identify what's actually causing the crash, which is especially useful when the issue is specific to your graphics card or driver version. And finally, if your scene is very complex, disable Viewport Volumetrics. Volumetric lighting and fog effects can be extremely demanding, and they often trigger GPU timeouts when switching into rendered mode. Turning them off temporarily can be the difference between a crash and a smooth preview. So to quickly recap, update your drivers, switch to Vulkan, reduce texture load, enable the right GPU acceleration, lower samples, close heavy apps, and simplify the scene where needed. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix most Blender rendered view crashes and work much more reliably. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Blender troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.